Imagine you're on a dream cruise, sipping tea under the stars, when suddenly alarms blare and the ship starts listing. Would you know what to do? Today, we're diving into 7 life-saving tips to handle cruise emergencies and turn potential disaster into a story you'll tell for years. Number 7. Familiarize yourself with the ship's layout and safety drills. Right off the bat, when you board the ship, don't just head straight to the pool. Take a moment to explore and memorize key areas. Like your muster station, that's the spot where you gather during emergencies. Attend the mandatory safety drill seriously. It's not just a formality. Why? Because in a real crisis, like a fire or flooding, knowing the quickest routes to lifeboats or exits can shave precious minutes off your response time. I've heard stories from cruisers who got lost in the chaos because they skipped the drill. Don't be that person. Pro tip: snap a photo of the ship's deck plan on your phone for quick reference. This simple step turns you from a confused passenger into someone who's calm and collected. Number 6. Pack a personal emergency kit. Sure, the ship has medical facilities, but they're not always immediately accessible in a pinch. Put together a small kit with essentials like motion sickness meds, pain relievers, bandages, your prescription drugs, a flashlight, and even a portable charger. Why is this a game changer? During power outages from storms or mechanical failures, you'll have backups. And don't forget copies of important documents like your passport and insurance info in a waterproof bag. One cruiser I read about during hurricane season credited their kit for managing a minor injury while waiting for help. It's lightweight, fits in your cabin, and gives you peace of mind. Think of it as your cruise survival sidekick. Number 5. Stay informed with ship communications. Cruise lines have apps, daily newsletters, and announcements for a reason. Use them. Download the ship's app before you sail and enable notifications. This way, you'll get real-time updates on weather changes, itinerary shifts, or any alerts. Why does this matter? Ignorance isn't bliss in emergencies. For instance, if there's a norovirus outbreak or approaching bad weather, early warnings let you adjust plans safely. I remember a forum post where passengers avoided crowded areas during a health scare because they stayed looped in. It's effortless. Just glance at your phone or listen to the captain's updates and it keeps you one step ahead. Number 4. Know basic first aid and CPR. You don't need to be a doctor, but brushing up on first aid basics can be a lifesaver. Literally. Learn how to handle common issues like seasickness, cuts, or even cardiac events through free online courses from the Red Cross. Why include this? Cruises often have older passengers, and medical help might be minutes away in remote waters. Imagine stabilizing someone until the ship's doctor arrives. It happened on a real cruise where a passenger's quick CPR saved a life during a heart attack. Plus, many ships offer on-board classes. Sign up if you can. This tip empowers you to act confidently, turning potential tragedy into triumph. Number 3. Prepare for weather-related emergencies. Mother Nature doesn't care about your vacation plans, so gear up for storms or rough seas. Secure loose items in your cabin. Avoid outer decks during high winds, and follow crew instructions to move indoors. Why is preparation key? Cruises in hurricane-prone areas like the Caribbean can face sudden squalls, leading to injuries from falls or even evacuations. Stock up on anti-nausea remedies and stay hydrated. A tip from seasoned sailors: if the ship starts rocking, lie down in your cabin center to minimize motion sickness. This proactive approach keeps your trip smooth, even when the seas aren't. Number 2. Understand medical evacuation procedures. If a serious health issue arises, like a stroke or injury, the ship might need to airlift you via helicopter. Know your travel insurance covers medevac. It's often not included in basic plans. Why bother? These evacuations can cost tens of thousands out of pocket, and in remote areas, they're your only option. Chat with the cruise line about their protocols beforehand. One harrowing tale involved a passenger airlifted from Alaska's glaciers. Their insurance saved them from financial ruin. This tip ensures that if the worst happens, you're not just physically safe, but financially too. And finally, number 1, master the use of evacuation tubes and life-saving gear. Topping our list is getting hands-on with the ship's evacuation systems, especially the evacuation tubes, those inflatable chutes or slides that deploy in dire situations like abandoned ship scenarios. During the safety drill, pay close attention to how they work. You slide down feet first, arms crossed, into lifeboats or rafts. Why is this crucial? In a sinking or fire emergency, tubes provide a fast, safe exit when stairs are blocked, potentially saving hundreds of lives. They're designed for quick deployment, but panic can lead to misuse. Practice the posture mentally. Real-life examples from incidents like the Costa Concordia show that knowing this gear inside out separates survivors from those in peril. Always locate your life jacket and know how to don it quickly. It's your first line of defense. There you have it, our countdown of 7 tips to handle cruise emergencies like a boss. From everyday prep to high-stakes actions, these can truly save your trip. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest cruise fear? I'd love to hear and maybe cover it next. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.